letter F. F is for flood. And as you can see, we're having a big flood here. Help us! Good thing we have an emergency sponge. Now let's clean up the mess. That's cleaning up some of the water. But we have to do more. And now here. Let's check how many water we cleaned up. Still not a lot. How about the flood that we made in the last episode? Oh, I need to get to that stone and there. Still more water? Oh man, we'll never get this cleaned up. We cleaned up more water. Now this video is officially ruined! Big block tower is covered in sponges. Now we'll have to find somewhere dry, like inside of the letter C building, except it's covered with water. Oh no! And that should keep the water out. Another plan, start a new life. Well, it's time for bed. Bye.